In this lesson, we will look at clinical examples where prognosis is part of routine practice. I want to give you a sense of what the inputs and outputs for prognostic tasks look like and how we might weigh some inputs more than others.
We can think of prognostic models as a system that takes in a profile of a patient as input and outputs a risk score for that patient. The patient profile can include clinical history, which includes major illnesses, any previous procedures. Profile might also include physical exam findings, such as vital signs, including temperature and blood pressure. Finally, there are lab tests, such as complete blood count and imaging that includes CT scan and others. A prognostic model can take one or more of these pieces and output a risk score for the patient. Now, risk scores might be arbitrary numbers, or they might be probabilities. Let's see an example of a prognostic model. This prognostic model is going to use two patient features to come up with a risk score for heart disease. Let's say we had a patient who was a smoker over the age of 75. We would give them a score of 1 for being a smoker and 1 for being over 75 for a final risk score of 2. Let's make this prognostic model a little more interesting. Let's say being over 75 is twice as risky as being a smoker, and we wanted the model to give twice as much weight to the age as to being a smoker. Then we can assign a weight, or here a coefficient, to the smoker feature of 1 and to the age feature of 2. Now we could multiply these coefficients by the value to get the contribution of each of the features, of 1 for being a smoker and 2 for being over 75, for a total risk score of 3.